Welcome to Feast Magazine's Campfire Cooking, sponsored by Ace of La Crosse. We are proud to give you the service and attention that comes from being family owned, and we are here to help you with your home improvement needs.
Hey everybody, it's Cat, and today I'm going to be spending the entire demo around the campfire because I'm going to show you how to make updated s'mores. This is really fun. In fact, you can see that I have a couple of bananas on the fire right now. All I've done is split them open, top them with a little bit of brown sugar and cinnamon, and then popped them on the grill. They're starting to really caramelize. You can see that they're really kind of bubbling away over here. And I'm going to pair these caramelized bananas with some cinnamon graham crackers. It's going to be delicious. And then I also have candied bacon that I just did in the oven. It's just bacon with some brown sugar and black pepper, and it could not be easier. And I'm going to be pairing that with dark chocolate. It's going to be pretty decadent. All right, I'm going to get these guys off the grill. Okay, my bananas are off the grill. This little guy slipped out of its jacket, but no big deal, I grabbed him. And then I have here my chopped up pepper bacon. The wonderful thing about s'mores is that they are a classic for a reason. They are absolutely delicious. Nothing is better than caramelized melty marshmallow smashed into melting chocolate. I'm getting hungry just thinking about it. But being able to update it and play with it really just kind of, it amps up the fun a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and roast my marshmallows, and I like mine to be on the caramelized side, and then I'm going to build my s'mores. These are the massive campfire marshmallows that you can find in any grocery store. You can use the little guys, but these take your s'mores to the next level. Okay, I can see my marshmallow is starting to get kind of jiggly. I don't want it to fall off into the fire because then you lose all of that time where you're trying to be patient while the marshmallow toasts. I want it to be sufficiently melty, and it is about to fall off of my skewer. So I'm going to build this. I have a butter waffle cookie. Hello, delicious. I am going to sandwich this guy, if I can get it off the skewer, with dark chocolate and, yes, candied bacon. Oh, perfect. That's pretty perfect. Look at how melty that marshmallow is. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to get into this. Okay, I'm just gonna have to take a bite. What makes this so great is you have the fatty, spicy aspect of the bacon marrying with that dark chocolate. And then rather than using a graham cracker, by using this kind of butter cookie, it really kind of lets the dark chocolate and the bacon really shine along with the sweet kind of like gooiness of the marshmallow. So that's one of the ways that you can really play around with your s'mores, is what kind of cookie you're using. Obviously the tradition is to use graham crackers, which are delicious, but you can always kind of play with it. This is unbelievable. Next up, I'm going to make the caramelized banana and cinnamon graham s'more. Oh, we're about to lose this one. Hold on. Emergency. There we go. Almost lost him. Let's try to get this guy off. There we go. Okay. I'm just going to get into my banana here and just lift some up on my knife. Gorgeous. Caramelized banana with a little bit of cinnamon sugar. Put another slice on there. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay. I'm going to use standard Hershey's chocolate on this one, and I have my cinnamon graham crackers just to enhance the cinnamon flavor on those bananas. I mean, How decadent is this? Easy, fun, delicious, super fun with the kids, roasting those marshmallows around the campfire. Yum. You will find all of the recipes right here on this site. I hope you enjoyed this quick, simple, and sweet cooking video. I'm losing my marshmallow. All right, I better devour this. I'll see you next time.
Enjoy a complimentary bag of Traeger pellets with your Traeger grill purchase. Contact us today for this limited time offer.